Welcome to your private Tennessee riverfront escape. This 104-plus acre farm features expansive duck river frontage, rolling pastures, mature hardwoods, multiple build sites, and a modern barndominium, all set against breathtaking panoramic views. From the moment you enter the long private driveway, you're surrounded by natural beauty and complete seclusion. Relaxed rural setting. Thoughtfully designed with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, the home offers functional living spaces while allowing the surrounding scenery to take center stage. Beyond the main home, the property offers multiple prime build sites overlooking the river. Whether you're envisioning a multi-home family compound or a custom estate, the groundwork is already in place to expand and create something truly special. Outdoor features add both charm and usability, including a fire pit gathering area, garden space, chicken coop, pergola, and storage barn. Whether it's morning coffee overlooking the river or evenings watching the sunset, every space is designed to connect you with nature. Wildlife is abundant, with deer, turkey, and even opportunities for dove hunting across the land. Whether you're seeking a private retreat, recreational property, or working farm, this Tennessee riverfront estate delivers space, privacy, and endless possibilities in one remarkable package.